What's up, FishHuge fans? Remodeling mom's house. Did the arched entryway just to add a little bit of extra look when you come through the front door. Didn't have to, but I did it anyways. You walk in, you got that view to the outside. We're getting there. Of course, somebody fell through the friggin' ceiling, idiot. Go. Cabinets are coming soon, or the countertops are coming soon. We're gonna have those installed, and we're gonna do some backsplash. Follow us, guys, see how it turns out. I'm Mr. Huge, and we out.